In this video we will find out the cube root of unity. Okay, so let us assume x is equal to cube root of 1. Now cubing both sides, we have x cube equal to 1 or x cube minus 1 is equal to 0. Now by the cubic formula we have x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1, and this is equal to 0, and this will imply x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x square plus x plus 1, this is equal to 0. And from this we have x equal to 1, and from this we have x equal to minus 1 plus minus root under 1 minus 4 by 2, or minus 1 plus minus, this is minus root 3 by 2, and this is equal to minus 1 plus minus root 3 I by 2, where I is equal to root under minus 1. So the cube root of 1 are 1 minus 1 plus root 3I by 2 minus 1 minus root 3I by 2. Now if we denote this as omega, and so this will be equal to omega square. Actually the property of this cube root of unity are omega equal to 1 and 1 plus omega square will be equal to 0. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.